In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and access TikTok Shop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the shop option and how to register so you can start using the seller features with confidence. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're brand new, create an account and complete your profile so your information is consistent when you apply. It also helps to update the app to the latest version for the smoothest experience. From your profile page, look for the menu. Depending on your device and region, this may appear as a button labeled More or as a three-line icon in the top corner. Tap that, then select Sell on TikTok Shop. This is the entry point to the seller tools. If you haven't registered for TikTok Shop before, the app will guide you through a quick setup. You'll be asked for essential details about your business. Provide a clear name for your online store. Choose the category that best matches what you sell and enter verification information as requested. You may be prompted for identification and contact details. Keep everything accurate and consistent with your official records to avoid delays. When uploading any documents, use clear, legible images and make sure they're up to date. Take a moment to review your store name for clarity and brand consistency and double-check that the category you select truly reflects your products. If the app presents guidelines or seller policies, read them so you understand any fees, shipping expectations, and content rules before you proceed. This preparation reduces the chance of revisions later. When all fields are complete, submit your documents within the app. You'll see a confirmation that your application is under review. Review times can vary, so enable notifications in TikTok to get alerts as soon as there's an update. During this time, avoid making frequent changes to your details, as that can trigger additional reviews. Once your registration is approved, return to the same menu and tap Sell on TikTok Shop again. You'll now have access to the seller dashboard, where you can manage your TikTok shop. From here, you're ready to move forward using the built-in tools designed for sellers. If you don't see the Sell on TikTok Shop option, availability may vary by region and account eligibility. In that case, check TikTok's help resources for the latest requirements. That's all you need to find and access TikTok Shop. Follow these steps carefully, submit accurate information, and you'll be set up to start selling.